Okay guys, good morning. I am here right now in the provincial capital Lagoon, and we are celebrating the first ever Terra Madre Asia Pacific Slow Food Festival, and it is held right here, right now in the City of Smiles, Bacolod City. So if you don't know, Slow Food has been established in the 2004, and their advocacy is for sustainable food, organic, something like that. And Terra Madre is the group that is actually supporting it. Terra Madre is all over the world. They have European chapter, they have North America, and also for us, it's the Asia Pacific. So it is held here right now in Bacolod City. This is a big festival celebration, guys, so you guys have to check it out. Just go to the provincial capital Lagoon. There will be like booths everywhere, different countries, especially the Asia Pacific. There are booths of food from Taiwan, from Korea, from India, and other places, and all over the Philippines. So this will start today on Wednesday until Sunday. See you guys. Batucada de Negros with Oyeng, Mr. Oyeng Usmeña, represent.
Okay, on my count, we shall be cutting the ribbon in 3, 2, and 1. All right, on my count, here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause.
So, the first ever Terra Madre Asia Pacific has been officially launched here in Bacolod City. Mga taga Bacolod, kunting tiis ng tagay sa traffic ha. Kaya kisala rin katabo sa aton. So we have to embrace this na lang, the celebration. Because this is an international event, okay? International guys ha. So these are where the booths are. If you're looking for food, amo na siyang area, guys, na lang tao nyo dire. It's a food festival that advocates organic. That's why they call it slow food. It is fast food, diba? You know what fast food is, right? Ini has slow food. So technically, it's more of like healthy food, organic food. Slow drinks. Muning bar guru nila. This is where I'm gonna be playing tomorrow. Right here. Check the bed. Alright. So this will be my setup tomorrow here. So this is their like slow drinks bar. This is where the well, you know, muna sila guys ang mix mga bartenders until Sunday. Starting today, Wednesday, and until Sunday. And I'm gonna be one of the DJs playing here tomorrow. Okay, so that's a slow food bar. The slow bar, they call it a slow bar. This is where we'll actually the bartenders will do their mixing. So kung gusto slow drinks, kung gusto mo guys mag-inom drinks, alcohol, bartenders or the mixologists will be here in this tent. Yeah! I'm gonna be DJing tomorrow. Hey! Saturday! You go here, these are all different booths that you can find. Different kind of food. Kung anong ina-offer nila, guys, like sa Capis, yung mga offers na Capis, slow food of Capis. Mga nyo guys, yung Capis, and known, and then sa, meron sila mga pasayan, talaba, may mga ugla pa, oh. It's okay, it's okay. See? So guys, you have to check this place out. Ari lang guys sa provincial capital Lagoon. You can see all different kinds of food. Di lang food. I'm looking for the coffee. I don't know where the coffee. Basta other side ng coffee. I'll check it out later. May mga restaurant man. You have 18th Street Palapala. Different kinds of food. Ang kita ka mo bigay sa mga sinamak. Mga muna. Dari kita ka muna di. Tapos na onan. Mga wine. That's what you see here. May rum pa. Don't take your rum. Alright. So that's what you see here in Terra Madre Asia Pacific. So different kinds of booth all over different parts of the Philippines. Nag-showcase ang ila mga goods and everything that they can offer, and also from different countries. Also we have Taiwan, we have India, we have Korea, and all kinds. So it's a food festival. Alright? Alright? Hi. Sino ngalan mo?
Ako sa Alvin Janimenes.
Sino?
Alvin Janimenes.
Alvin Janimenes. Taga din ka? Taga din ka?
London.
Okay. Bantayan mo di ha? Alright, that's it. And I'll keep you guys updated. Till next time, guys. Babush! So, ang gusto nga, hindi ka mo magamo sa traffic nyo. Ngitaan nyo yung amigo ko diyo. Amigo ko Nunoy. Shout out amigo, Mr. Nunoy Batigas. O, kita mo, tama nyo guys sa traffic, nagtaway na. Siya lang nagplastar guys, nagtaway tayo, no? Di ba? Sino mo siya? Ano pa mga amigo, tapre?
Ang mga tawa bus 96 na sa St. Joseph, kaya sa Las Almas na.
Bida siya yan. Naya.
Trupa naman sa basket.
Ako mga, hindi na pagmulong, basta pre, kasi masalat sa edad na pre.
Ayo.
Hindi, batch 96 ako no, Lasalaw si Joseph. Mga basketball lang ang boys, oh. Ari, idol.
Special sa kay Busquide ah.
Bida siya ba yung Busquide gali? Busquide, wala lang kami kita na po, dumayo. Ayo, ako tanay.
Kapitan ko no.
Siya, sige. Dito na. Nay, nakwa. Ito.